side or or like window? Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Mm-hmm.
I gotta do it again. I'll take it.
Is this your possession? Is this your finish?
Yes.
Wait, big turn of
Coach Hanlon said to tell you that he's in Colombiana with Ben trying to get his driver's license. There's a line.
Okay.
Wait.
Yeah, it is. You get more privileges than I normally give. 19, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so you've got to change into a square root. So do you remember which number goes here? Is it 3 or is it 2?
3.
It's 3. There you go. So does that help me any? It's not D, and it's not A. Well, that's easy. It's C. Where in the world did they even get the 6 from? I don't know. All right, let's do 20. Here we go. Square root. What number? Where's the 2 and the 5? Which one goes here? 2. And then X, and then 5.
So it's always the bottom one?
Always the bottom one. Yep. Mm-hmm. It's B, right? Because you don't have to write the 2, because square means 2. Yes, sir.
I have a question.
Yeah.
In the exam, we're gonna do the same thing.
Yep. Not the same problems, but very, very similar.
You don't have to solve the problem.
Some of them you will, some of them you won't. No, you don't have to show me where. No, it's multiple choice. All right, 21. Here we go. So which number, 7 or 4, goes right here? There you go. All right, let's see. So can I narrow that down? Yeah, the only one that's got 4 is B. Here we go. Alfredo, you don't have to show work, but make sure that you do enough so that you can get the problem right, okay? All right, 22. Leah? Autumn? Is there something we need to discuss? Yes. You okay, Cody? Okay. All right, what number? 1 or 3? Which one goes here? 3. Does that narrow it down? Let's see. It can't be C. And then there's a 1. It's D. The only ones that got 3 and 1 is D. Y'all okay? All right, let's do a couple more. Let's do the next 4, and then we'll do the rest tomorrow. All right, we're going to go opposite, okay? So 3, is that on the top of the fraction or the bottom? That's the bottom, right? Which one's got it on the bottom? C? Yep. All right, 24. What number is right here? 2. And it goes on where the fraction? Top or bottom? Bottom. Which one?
What if there's a 1 on the bottom?
There won't be on these. There never will be on these. It could be on top, but it won't be on the bottom. All right, so I've got 2 and 3. A, right? Because there's no 7. All right, 25. So here, Autumn, here's a good example. All right, what number is right here?
1.
2. What number is right here? 1, right? So it's 1 over 2. Which one's got 1 over 2? A. All right, 26. How do I do? Do I do 4 over 7 or 7 over 4?
7 over 4.
There you go. And that is A. Are y'all okay?
Yes.
All right, so go ahead and put that study guide up. Kelvin, if you'll give me a few minutes, I'll help you on that problem, okay? All right, we have a test tomorrow, so what are we doing today? Review. There you go. All right, guys, here we go. We're going to mark out a couple of these. And we're going to go through each one, and we're going to highlight the key words. So let's look at number 1. What's the key word in number 1 that tells me grow or decay? Which one? Grown, right? There's it. Look, circle that word. All right, what about number 2? What's the key word that tells me growth? Did you get one? Jesse, did you pass the study guides? Kelvin, did you pass the study guides back? All right, what about number 2? What's the key word in number 2? Decreases. There you go. All right, what about number 3? What's the key word? increases. Ethan, are you circling these words, Bobby? Okay. Okay, let's look at number 4. What's the key word in number 4? Depreciates. Remember when we talked about cars, how they depreciate? All right. What about number 5? Increasing. There you go. And number 6? Decreasing. There you go. All right. At the bottom down here, or let's do it at the top. Let's write those formulas. You ready? Growth was y equals a 1 plus r to the t. Make sure you write those so you'll have them. They will be on your test written for you, okay? All right, what about decay? What was decay? 1 minus, right? Okay. Are y'all okay? All right, let's flip over on the back. Okay. Okay, you can mark out 7. We're not going to do 7. All right, you ready to write your formula for 12 and 11, or 12 and 13? All right, I'm going to help you on 12. You ready? Find the 7th term. So what is 7? What letter is it?
N.
N, right? N is 7. Okay. What is 5? Where does 5 go in my formula?
R.
No. Which A? The first one, right? Look, you got this 1. 5 is the first term. So A sub 1 is 5. Okay, R. How did I get from 5 to 10? Multiply by what? 2. Let's check it. What's 10 times 2?
20.
What's 20 times 2? Alright, so 2 is right, okay? Are you all okay? What's the only thing it says to do in 8, 9, 10, and 11? Find the next 3 terms. There you go. That's it, okay? Alright, so do you mean to put the answers up here and you can just check your work?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. We'll do that in just a minute. Actually, no.
I like